Realizing you don't have enough oven space to cook dinner and bake dessert at the same time is a total nightmare when you are trying to host a holiday gathering or feed a hungry family. Juggling cooking times, watching your side dishes grow cold while the main course roasts, and dealing with an oven that cooks unevenly turns what should be a fun meal into a stressful, chaotic mess. The Samsung 30-inch Smart Double Wall Oven NB51K6650DG/AA completely rescues your kitchen routine, functioning as a massive, high-tech cooking workstation that lets you prepare multiple dishes simultaneously at totally different temperatures. This premium black stainless steel appliance features an ultra-sleek, fingerprint-resistant finish that stays looking pristine even in a busy household with kids. What truly sets this double-wall oven apart is its advanced steam cook technology, which delivers moisture at precise times during the baking process, so your breads come out with a bakery-style crust and your meats stay incredibly juicy on the inside. Equipped with full Wi-Fi connectivity, you can easily preheat the oven, adjust the temperature, or monitor your timers directly from your smartphone while you're busy prepping in another room. With its massive internal capacity, heavy-duty gliding racks, and dual convection systems that circulate heat evenly to eliminate hot spots, this smart oven gives you the power and precision to pull off complex, multi-course feasts with total confidence. Click the link below to lock in the absolute best price. Drop a comment letting me know if you would use that steam feature for baking fresh bread or roasting a Sunday chicken. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more elite kitchen appliance breakdowns, and I will see you in the next video.